When you innovate, you really let your wildest ideas come to the table. Don't immediately apply the filters and say, no, that cannot be done. And it is a iterative process where you start first with a bold, large idea, which might be very vaguely defined, but step by step go that through and validate and think through. Is it technically feasible? We work together with our best partners, and we work together with the shipyards, which is willing to take these challenges and go the extraordinary miles and the extraordinary work in order to materialize. Usually we spend a year to a year and a half on defining a new class of ships before we are in a position where we can contract that with the shipyard. It is where the ship's layout, every room is very well defined in every detail. The next group of people are coming in, and they are the ones who start doing the production, the industrialization, where they take this basic design and they turn that into the drawings according to which the ship is built. Building the entire ship's hull, it's actually relatively minor. It's only 20% of the work. 80% of the work is all the equipment, all the interior, what is going in, all the machinery, what is going into that. And then testing the vessel on the sea trial before it goes into the delivery. Royal Caribbean has always been leading the industry in the design, has always been able to take leaps forward, constantly pushing the envelope. And being able to be part of that kind of process and that kind of team is just amazing.